Hello students, welcome back to the maths class. So today we are going to discuss the first problem in exercise 1.1. Find A cross B, A cross A and B cross A for the following problems. So we have discussed already in our previous class about Cartesian product. So now let us do the problems using the Cartesian product. So let us solve the first problem first. A is equal to set of all 2 comma minus 2 comma 3 and B is equal to 1 comma minus 4. So let us write A cross B. First we have to find. So A cross B is equal to, first write the elements of A. What is the elements of A for the first problem? 2 comma minus 2 comma 3 cross elements of B are 1 comma minus 4. First write what it is given in the elements of A and B. Next, first we have to make the Cartesian product now. So first element in the first set with all the elements in the second set. So 2 comma 1. Next comma 2 comma minus 4. Next, second element in the first set with all the elements in the second set. So minus 2 comma 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 4. Then third element in the first set with all the elements in the second set. So 3 comma 1 comma 3 comma minus 4. 3 comma minus 4. We have to close the set bracket. So it is A cross B of the given sets A and B. Next, we have to find A cross A. So write A cross A as it is equal to, write the elements of A, 2 comma minus 2 comma 3 cross elements of, again we have to write the elements of A, 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. Here we have to make the Cartesian product with the same set. So first set with another set, both are same set only. So A cross A. So first element in the first set with all the elements in the second set. So 2 comma 2. Then 2 comma minus 2, then 2 comma 3. Next, second element in the first set with all the elements in the second set. Minus 2 comma plus 2, minus 2 comma plus 2, then minus 2 comma minus 2, then minus 2 comma 3. So next, third element in the first set with all the elements in the second set. 3 comma 2. Next, 3 comma minus 2. Next, 3 comma 3. So these are the Cartesian product of A cross B. Suppose here elements of first set is 3 elements. Again the elements of the second set is 3 elements. So 3 3s are 9 Cartesian order base must become. So let us check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in the first one A cross B, first number of elements in the set A is 3. Number of elements in the set B is 2. So 3 2s are 6. So 6 order base must be there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, the third one B cross A. We have to find B cross A is equal to, first write the elements of B. What are the elements of B? 1 comma minus 4 cross elements of A. What are the elements of A? 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. Now we have to make the Cartesian product B with A. Okay. Now is equal to, open the set bracket. So here first element with all the elements of second set. So 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma minus 2 comma 1 comma 3, then comma again second element in the first set with all the elements in the second set. So minus 4 comma 2 comma minus 4 comma minus 2 comma minus 4 comma 3. So it is a required answer for the B cross A. So in the number of elements in the set B is 2, number of elements in the set A is 3. So 2 3s are 6. So there is 6 order pairs. So it is the solution for the first point. So this is the answer for the first problem. So you can take down. So next let us do the answer for the second problem. So what is that? A is equal to B is equal to set of all P comma Q. So now shall I erase this? Okay, now the second problem. What is the second problem? A is equal to B is equal to P comma Q. That means A is equal to P comma Q and B is equal to P comma Q. Both the sets have the same elements. A is equal to P comma Q and B is equal to P comma Q. Okay, now first you have to find A cross B. First you have to find A cross B. You have to write as it is given in the problem. So first what is A? P comma Q. Then again cross elements of B, also same P comma Q. Now we have to make the Cartesian product for A cross B. So first element in the first set with all the elements in the second set. So P comma P, then P comma Q, then Q comma P, then Q comma Q. These are the Cartesian product of A cross B. Next we have to find the Cartesian product of A cross A. They become same. So they same the both are the same set. So A cross A means P comma Q plus P comma Q. So now we have to make the Cartesian product. We will get P comma P comma P comma Q comma Q comma P comma Q comma Q. So in this problem A cross B and A cross A also same, because both the sets are same. Then we have to find the B cross A. It also will be same because both are same sets. Both the sets are having the same elements. So what is B? B is nothing but P comma Q. So P comma Q cross elements of B also P comma Q is equal to, now we have to make the Cartesian product. First element with the first set with all the elements in the second set. So P comma P comma P comma Q comma Q comma P comma Q comma Q. So it is the answer for the B cross A. That means Cartesian product of B cross A. Next the third problem. What is the third one? A is equal to M comma N and B is equal to null set. That is empty set. There is no element in the set. That is null set. Okay. So now first we have to find A cross B for the problem. So A cross B is equal to, what are the elements of A for the third one? M comma N. Cross elements of B. There is no element in the set B, so it is null set, that empty set or void set. Okay, now you cannot make Cartesian product for A cross B because there is no element in the set B, therefore the answer is null set or empty set. Okay, then A cross A we have to find. So A cross A is equal to, what are the elements of A? Is given M comma N. Then cross again the same elements because the same set. So A cross A is M comma N. So A is M comma N, again A is M comma N. Now we have to make the Cartesian product. So M comma M, then M comma N, then N comma M, then N comma N. So it is the Cartesian product for A cross A. Next, finally you have to find B cross A. B cross A is equal to, first we have to write the elements of B. There is no element in the set B, so that is null set. Cross the elements of A. The elements of A are M comma N. So if we need the Cartesian product for any two sets, both the set must be non-empty set, but there is no element in the set B, so we cannot make the Cartesian product. There is no result for B cross A, that is null set for the problem. Okay, thank you children. We will see the next problem in the next class.